That's the tooth. Only a few canine and or incisor teeth will have erupted. Other teeth are still being formed and may present as bulges of the gums. Make an incision in one of these bulges to observe them. This is the tongue. The tongue is attached posteriorly and free anteriorly. Locate the papilla on its surface, especially near the base of the tongue and along its anterior margins. The function of the tongue is to move food into the esophagus and into the stomach for digestion.
He's thirsty. Refreshing.
This is the hard and soft palate. That one. Yeah, the hard and soft palate. Roof of the mouth formed anteriorly by the hard palate, supported by a bone and cartilage, formed posteriorly by soft palate paired nasal cavities, lie dorsal to the roof of the mouth. Yeah. This is the pharynx. This is the name for the empty space posterior to the nasal cavities and soft palate. This can be seen by the hole nearest the epiglottis. This is where the digestive and respiratory systems meet. This is the epiglottis. This is a flap of tissue at the base of the tongue that prevents food and fluid from moving into the trachea and lungs. Its function is to keep an organism from drowning while eating.
Did you start?
Yeah. Okay, evolution question number 1. Okay, so the gallbladder is a small sac-like structure attached to the right part of the liver. It's not essential for life. Another example of these organs in humans are wisdom teeth and appendixes.
Evolution question number 2. The difference between a cow and a pig's stomach is that a cow has a ruminating stomach and a pig doesn't.
Question number 3. Okay. Appendixes are not common in animals. We have them. Humans have them. Evolutionary biologists think that humans evolved appendixes so they could consume raw food safely. Question number 4. A cloaca is one hole that's used for digestion and reproduction. So animals like chickens, birds, and reptiles have one. That means they reproduce and poop out the same hole. Organisms don't have one for cleanliness. Evolution question number 5. Okay, a 2-chambered heart is found in fish. They use their gills to get oxygen out of their bodies. A 3-chambered heart is found in amphibians and reptiles. They separate blood from oxygen to release the oxygen from the blood. Evolution question number 5, part 2. A 4-chambered heart has 2 upper parts and 2 lower parts, found in pigs. Yeah! Yay!
Did you start?
Yeah. Evolution question number 6. Okay, similarities between... Okay, I don't actually know the similarities. Evolution question number 6. Similarities between gills and lungs is that they pump out oxygen and allow the animals to breathe. A difference is that gills are for fish underwater and they just shoot out oxygen. Lungs, they actually contract and push oxygen out as well.
Yeah, I think if you scroll
Evolution question number 7. Okay. Human ancestors probably developed the ability to communicate with others so they could, 1, communicate with others to survive, and 2, just be able to talk to each other like other animals. Evolution question number 8. Okay, so I think animals with an adrenaline rush trait have an advantage over animals without it. Have an advantage because they have fear and they know to stay away from danger, and animals without non-adrenaline just don't know fear and they're gonna die. So
Evolution question number 9. So animals with more teeth have able to chew bigger animals, because they have more teeth, like fish, they don't really have any because they like only eat plants and stuff, so they don't really have to chew it. They swallow.
Final evolution question number 10. Okay, so I think that animals, like the evolution of an epiglottis in organisms, I think it could develop for different animals depending on their diet. Like some animals' epiglottis could be bigger because they have to digest bigger animals. Like I feel like fish would have a smaller epiglottis than like a wolf, because like wolves are eating big animals and fish are just eating small little plants.
I don't want them.
Can you give her a big hug?
I don't want them. No.
Yep, that's great.